We stayed at this cute little B&B called Tierra Magica last night. It's also an art studio, and we met some really cool people over here. And now the drive from San Jose to Monteverde is 3 hours, so let's get started.
All of this is taking place in
Costa Rica!
and we are headed up in the mountains to milk a cow, make cheese, and live the simple life.
Carolina Kostika.
Ica, mucho gusto.
Feliz año nuevo.
Ah, feliz año. Sí, pásenme, por favor.
Okay.
¿Dónde estamos?
Sí.
Ay, qué bueno.
We just got to Finca El Paraíso to do the cheese tour over here and milk some cows. And also we're going to be staying here tonight because our other reservation got canceled. So we're going to spend a little bit longer in this paradise. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful view, wow.
And for us, whole life here, you know, we grew up taking care of animals, cows.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, so yeah, this is the cabin.
So cool. Looks great.
So it's a small cabin, but it has everything you need. Oh, there's the Wi-Fi. My dad, he decided to have cows only. This cheese factory was founded by Quakers. You know Quakers?
Yeah,
Yeah.
You know, like Amish, Mennonites.
yeah. Wow.
And they came here in the around 50s, before 50s. Coffees, like that, coffees. We bring the cows here twice a day, at 5 in the morning and 4.
Okay.
So yeah, we milk the cows twice.
Okay.
Cows are smart, they know their routine, so they know when it's time.
Okay.
Sometimes we have a glass of milk and it's not that. Yeah, it's because you feed the cows, we feed the cows with a lot of processed food and then chemicals, pesticides, hormones
Yeah.
to
Okay.
make the cows, use like cows like machines, right?
Right.
Produce a lot of milk.
Right.
So after, we feed the cows with less grains here,
Yeah.
and then we went down. So we don't handle milk. It just, with
Yeah.
machines, it goes directly to the tank. Here's some milk from this morning.
Wow, it smells so good.
Yeah. Orlando.
Señor Orlando, el jefe.
La jefa.
Sí, siempre una jefa. Sí, sí, sí. La jefa.
The real boss.
Tiene los pantalones.
Plant is called mimosa. Like the drink. Is it plant?
The one that closes. That's what it's called. No?
Yeah, mimosa. We call it dormilona.
So what can you do with it? Nothing.
You can make tea,
You can make tea with it.
and it helps you in your stomach.
Really?
Insomnia, stress.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I didn't know.
But we prefer the cows eat those because it kills bacteria and parasites
Oh, wow.
instead of the
Okay.
cow like the tree.
Amazing.
Okay.
So now cows aren't taking natural
Yeah.
medicine.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah,
So
amazing.
it's great.
Mimosa.
We didn't know about this, but now thanks to internet, other farmers' experiences, we know those plants it helps. This one is a toxic one.
Oh, that's toxic.
Yeah, this one it had some milk.
Uh-huh.
So if the cows eat those, they got an infection.
Oh no.
Even cows are pregnant. If they eat too much of this plant, they're gonna lose the baby.
Now we're heading back to feed the animals because they are getting hungry.
He's eating my pants.
Look at all of them.
He had a full bottle.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Name is Canela.
Canela.
Canela means cinnamon.
Yep.
She's 5 years old and 4 months pregnant.
Oh,
So
wow.
now my dad's gonna You have some food. And I will show you how to milk.
Okay, perfect.
You're gonna feed the cat. He wants milk, of course. That's why he's around. Also, we have a good insurance, so don't worry. But they don't kick. They are used to this. So.
Okay.
And also, she's busy. So the milk is here, and then it goes down, and we have to squeeze. You see? I squeeze. I don't pull. I squeeze.
Squeeze.
Okay, squeeze.
And of course, he wants some.
That's hilarious.
He's waiting for this, so he knows.
Doesn't seem to be working.
Squeeze it, babe.
Should I squeeze the other one?
Squeeze it well. Come
Not
on.
working.
Squeeze it like you mean it.
Yeah. I thought it was.
Yeah, you got it.
Come on.
Oh yeah, I can feel it.
Oh my God, it's gonna take a month. Sundown. Tomorrow.
We have all day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Milk is real good, babe. Come on, Roberto. No, it's retracting. Roberto.
Oh, you're a natural. You scored a view. Well, you're good at that. I think you're better at getting milking than me. All right, say a catchphrase about getting milked.
You gotta milk this opportunity. You gotta milk it. Oh my God.
Wow.
That's how it's done.
That's how it goes.
Wow.
amazing.
Yeah. And now it's time to,
Drink it?
if you wanna taste.
Okay,
some.
ready?
Salud.
Fresh. Salud. Fresh milk. So good. Oh my God.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, it's so warm.
Yeah. Mocha latte.
Oh my God, it's like a latte. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's so good.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Chocolate.
Wow.
Fresh chocolate milk.
Wow, that's so good.
And everything is better with chocolate, right?
Oh
So-
yeah,
Yeah.
totally. Do you record this?
Yeah, chocolate now. Wow. All right. Save some for me. Wow.
Yeah, we know. We grew up drinking like this.
That's so good.
Some milk.
Very good.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm like Roberto now.
It's crazy. It really is like a latte straight out of the cow. Super warm and frothy. And now we're gonna go make some cheese.
Crear it. For 20 minutes. Okay. After that, we have to separate with the cheese cloth, the this and way. But for now, we can make tortillas. Rice flour, corn flour.
Corn flour. Okay. Okay. So.
Do you want to make it? Sure. So yeah, here. Now we have the water. So I like to add water little by little.
Oh yeah.
My tortilla as a whole. Rib.
That's what you get for saying I was doing a bad job.
Yeah. So we spread a little bit oil with a napkin.
Okay.
And we put here. Supposed to be.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so thick now.
You have to add a lot of salt.
I'm surprised how easily the water separates from it once you're rolling it around.
Yeah.
It just goes right in.
Normally. So now we squeeze. The cheese ball. So, yeah, you can try. And you can put your this.
Oh my God, it's so good. Wow.
Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
Beautiful. This was made in front of our eyes. I don't know what happened. We got so tired and we took a nap. Fell asleep. Whew. Now we're gonna go into town, see Monteverde, and hopefully get some blah, blah, blah. I can't even talk anymore. We're gonna go into town into Monteverde and hopefully get some dinner.
The next day, we spotted this local pottery on our way out. Marcelo showed us the methods that have been passed down for thousands of years by the indigenous people, and him and his family still practice today. Everything here comes from locally found minerals, and each piece tells a story. They're not just works of art, they're fully functional, and some can even play music. Next, we're heading to La Fortuna for zip lining and enjoy some natural thermal baths. And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other video where we crossed the border from Panama to Costa Rica. See you next time.